Hi, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. I got asked this question by a sales manager recently. He wants to know, is there a master calendar in Google Workspace or Gmail that he can see all of his employees' calendars? I can show him what he can do in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and that notify button because I create all of these videos specifically for you. So if a sales manager or any manager wants to see all of his employees' calendars, what they are going to have to do, whether they are in Google Workspace or Gmail, they're going to have to share their calendars with that sales manager. And then he will be able to overlay his calendar with all of their calendars, and he'll be able to turn them on and turn them off so he can see them or not see them whenever he wants. So let me show you what each employee is going to need to do for the sales manager to be able to see all of their calendars. So right here, let's say I want to share my primary calendar with my sales manager. Here's how I'm going to have to do it. I'm going to hit the three dots, settings and sharing. I need to come down here, share with specific people. Well, check it out. I'm already sharing it with my sales manager right there so he can see it. And furthermore, I've given him permission to make changes and manage it. I don't want him to do that. I only want him to see event details. Let me go show you what he can see. So go back to over to my business side, go to my email, and right there it is. He's right there is where I've sent him access to view my calendar. Add to calendar. Have to hit add to calendar again. Now I'll turn off his sales manager's calendar. And these right here in the green are all of the calendar entries for salesperson number one. Now let me go do another one. Check this out. I'm going to take this calendar and share it with him as well. Three dots. Settings and sharing. I'm going to add people, sales manager. I'll let him see all event details and send. Now I'll go look at his calendar and there it is right there. So click on that, add to calendar, hit add to calendar again. Now you can see that the red is the score sales guy. I'm going to do one more. Give me 1 second. I'm going to share Rebecca's calendar with him as well. Go to the three dots, settings and sharing, add people, Teddy Burris, see all event details. Now I'm going to go back to his calendar, and there it is. Rebecca shares the calendar, add to calendar. Now I've added all of them to the calendar, and you'll notice a little bit of difference here. Here's my main calendar. Here's Rebecca Burris. And the reason why she shows up here is because she is a part of the domain. She's using a burrisconsulting.com email address. But Burris Consulting at Gmail and Teddy Burris' score are not. But there they all are. You can see there's Rebecca Burris, there's Burris Consulting, and there's Teddy Burris at gmail.com. So I can turn my main calendar back on, and I can see all of their stuff with all of my stuff. But if I wanted to see what individually they are doing, I can turn off one and then turn on another. And then if I want to turn on another, and I can, however I want to view it, but it's all overlaid onto my calendar. Google Workspace and Google Calendars shared with individual or multiple people. So all the salespeople can share their calendar with the sales manager, and he can see everything they're doing without bothering them at all. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.